Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now there's a glimmer of hope for the resumption of local sporting activities as Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Tuesday announced that the government is now prepared to reopen the sports industry. Very few live sporting events have been held in Jamaica since the country recorded its first case of COVID-19 in March of last year. Karen Madden has the details.
The calls have been getting louder for sports to return to a country which has reaped international acclaim from the field of play. Speaking in Parliament on Tuesday afternoon, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that his cabinet ministers will shortly announce how sports will resume safely.
Prior to now, the policy was not to allow sporting events. We contemplated this over 2 days. We had our COVID meeting on Friday and we met again on Monday. And the decision is that sporting events can be allowed under conditions. And the Minister of Local Government, the Minister of Sports, the Minister of Health will in due course explain in more detail what these conditions are.
The Prime Minister noted that as happens internationally, sports will only return with conditions.
To be clear, this is not a wide-scale return of sports. We have to first of all go through a process where we look at each sporting event and what they require and the specific public health protocols that can be put in place to ensure that they are safe. Each sporting event will have to apply for approval to be held. So they have to go to the Ministry of Local Government, work with the Minister of Sports as their advocate and the Minister of Health to put together a package.
Meanwhile, opposition leader Mark Golding, who is also president of National Premier League outfit Arnett Gardens Football Club, referenced the work being done to strengthen the National Premier League. In expressing relief that live sports will return soon, Golding pointed to the importance of sports to the country.
This is not just about sport. For these people, it's their livelihood, it's their family's livelihood, not just for players, but for coaches, ancillary staff. And of course, all around it, there's an economy that is it's similar to entertainment. It's just another form of way where persons can go and sell, vendors, etc. Obviously, that side of it is not going to be able to resume yet. But it's sports are, of course, very much part of the psyche and culture of the nation, and we need to find a way.
Under the proposals announced by the Prime Minister, spectators will not be allowed at live events nor while athletes are training. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.